day, YouTube. We're back with another video, and today we are working in the interior of the car. Why? Simply because the whole dash needs to be replaced. It's going to be quite a long 3-4 hours, I think. I'll be live streaming the whole thing as well, and you can go check it out down in the description after this video is done, and go check it out and see if you want some more in-depth details, and there's probably some more extra stuff that we're going to cover in the live stream as well. And then we'll also finish off with replacing the seat belts, because both of them were deployed, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. So the first step is the removal of the dash. It should take around a little bit under 2 hours. It is a little finicky. Why? Because it's so small, such a small dash. There's a little bit of things you need to break, because there's no way to remove it unless you want to remove the whole like brace or something it's called, I don't know. But that's just dumb. You're gonna spend like 6 hours to the steering column as well. That's a huge mess and headache. No point to do it when you can just break a couple tabs, which are not really even that important. I already did remove the dash from my parts car, so that's ready. Just need to remove this one, swap it in. And there you go. That was not that long of install in the process of switching. It's 2 hours and 34 minutes. This is while I was live streaming, talking a little bit to chat. Next, let's get into our seat belts. These are broken, and swapped them over. I think the driver one I still need to send away to get it re-serviced, reloaded, and sent back to me. And there you have it. Seatbelt replaced, dashboard replaced. Look at that. Seatbelt working without a problem. A dashboard, I don't know if you can see, there is no more exposed airbag, which is great. Go down in the description, check it out. There is a 3 hour and 30-minute live stream of how I did everything here. And it's very detailed, and you can see all my movements, how it's all been done, how it's possible. So if you need more information on a certain part, look in there. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing, liking, and commenting, that very helps on my channel. It boosts engagement and actually sees YouTube's like, wow, look at this content creator, he's getting somewhere. We are currently 98 subscribers away from 1,000. You know, help my man out. Give me some subscribers. Let me get that 1,000 real quick. We also need that watch time, so go watch that live stream in full. Give me those 3 hours of watch time. I really need that. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you next time.